Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or amylouise, and today we are opening the Glossybox February box. This, oh my gosh, let's just take the lid. This is stunning. I don't keep the boxes, but I do keep the lids when they are speciality boxes. So I have this one. I also kept this one. I believe this was the December box or the November box. I've only been doing Glossybox for a few months. I did do it a couple of years ago, and I just think that these are really cute and they're a good little bit of decoration, especially when they've put so much effort into these. I am planning on getting like using these as background for my videos at some point, like on my shelves or something. I don't know, but I think they're really cute, so this will definitely be getting kept. It says Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat Mixtape, Premium Stereo Cassette 90. My son, he's 8, he's never seen a radio player, he's never seen a cassette player, he's never seen like a boombox or cassette tapes. So when he saw this, he was like, what is that supposed to be? And I was like, that's a cassette tape. And he had absolutely no idea, which I think was hilarious. He's 8 and he's just like whoosh, completely like into his technology, and I'm just like, I miss cassette tapes. I miss sitting on the floor with my radio, recording songs from the radio onto cassette tapes. Is that just me? Probably. Okay, so when you take the lid off, it is packaged really beautifully as always. Let's get rid of the ribbon. I do keep these ribbons. They're really good to use for hair ties, but I actually keep them for when I'm doing gift wrapping. I really don't like to waste stuff. So you get a little card in here which explains everything that you get. I've not had a look yet. I'll go through this in a second. And then it's always nice tissue paper, so I'm just going to rip this open. This has got cassette tapes and headphones and stuff on it, really cute. And then when you open it, it is all packaged like this. You always get a crap ton of this, and not always, but if it's a fun colour, I will keep this again for like packaging, birthday presents, Christmas presents, that sort of thing. Okay, so the first thing I have is a Glow on Fifth Beauty Rose Gua Sha. We were supposed to get this last month, but we didn't because of issues getting them into the country. How cute is that? Does it have information? Yes, but it is white writing on very pale background, so I'm gonna struggle. Use our Glow on Fifth Rose Gua Sha beauty tool over clean skin for 4 to 6 minutes daily for healthy glowing skin. This facial massage tool helps contour the face, the neck, and enhance your features, and resulting in a more youthful complexion. It helps flush out the lymphatic drainage, which increases blood flow and circulation, both of which are essential for radiant, vibrant skin. Use gentle pressure, scrape our Rose Gua Sha tool in upward motions across the face anywhere from 4 to 6 minutes to give the skin the ultimate contouring massage. For the best results, use together with our Simply Glowing Vitamin C Serum. Okay, fab. I had one years ago. I don't know what happened to it. I didn't really use it, so I don't know if I'm gonna this time. I do get asked if I do like stuff like this and rollers quite a lot, just because I naturally have like indents in my cheeks, under my cheekbones. I get asked if I do stuff to like enhance that, and I really don't. You'll see if I've got no makeup on, I still have that. I don't know why people care that much. So next we have the Steve Lauren Total Repair Lip Mask. Total Repair Lip Mask brings a burst of hydration to your lips whenever you feel the... what? Whenever you need some extra love. It instantly smooths lips while reducing the appearance of fine lines. Single use only, do not flush. Okay. This is kind of disappointing. I got one of these, not the same one, but I got a lip mask not last month or the month before. I still haven't used it. Really don't bother with these unless I am ill. If I'm ill, I'll go in one of these if like my lips are really chapped, but other than that, I never use these. Oh, there is no. Okay. So next we have the Bubble Tea Peach Bellini Restoring Hand Cream, Soothe and Nourish. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. I especially, but like everyone should be using hand cream no matter what. Your hands go through so much stuff, and especially at the minute we're always washing our hands, sanitizing, at least I hope. If you're not, like literally pause this video and go wash your hands. Don't be dirty. But once you wash your hands, please apply hand cream. I have spoken a few times about the fact that I have contact dermatitis on my hand. I will go through this in about a week. I go through hand cream so much. It's probably unhealthy how much hand cream I go through. I go through hand cream. I go through like creams from doctors and stuff. Like I literally always have something on my hand. Sometimes you will even see like a white blob on my hand, and that's usually like a medical cream or moisturiser or hand cream on my hand because it is so dry and sensitive. So I'm very happy that we have that. Next, Avon Hyaluronic Argan Oil Peony Sweet Almond. What is this? Age Protect and UV Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Okay, cool. I need to smell this. It doesn't smell of anything. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so the grit in this is really fine. I like this, and the serum that is in there is really nice and thick. It feels like it's going to be really hydrating. So as you're using this to scrub the dead skin on your lips, you're also like injecting moisture into your lip. That feels amazing. It's not too gritty. It doesn't feel like a lot of lip scrubs that you come across. I have lip scrubs. I love lip scrubs. I use lip scrub like 3 times a week maybe. Love a lip scrub. Usually they are really thick and coarse and they will over exfoliate your lips. These are perfect, and I love the fact that it's like a little lip gloss. Yeah, so this, expect to see this in my future videos. This I am happy about. And last but not least, this looks dirty and dusty. Can you see? There's like dirt and dust on this. Oops. Okay, let's give this a clean up. Okay, so Nude Sticks Gel Cream Lip and Cheek Balm. Wow, Siren, I did not expect to get anything nude sticks. I've wanted to try nude sticks for so long and never have, just because, I don't know, like they seem really expensive for like what they are. I don't know. For me, I feel like I wouldn't use them that often. So for me, the price range is a bit out there for what it is. This is Siren. It is red. This is a pencil. This looks like it is being sat for a while. It is dusty. Like I already said, it was dirty. But on the actual product itself, I'm hoping you can see this. There is like little bubbles of where the moisture has come up, and it kind of looks fuzzy. I'm going to swatch it, but I'm not impressed with this. I'm hoping that it's just moisture from it snowing. Like, I'm playing with this, like I'm literally like going back and forth, and it is patchy. Like, this is really patchy. Like, nah, I'm probably not even gonna bother with this, which is a shame. Lip and cream balm. Can I try it on my cheek? I'm not going to put this on my lip. I can tell you that for a fact. I'm not going to put this on my lip just because it does look really odd. But I will put it on my cheek. No. This has picked up my foundation. It's not blended out properly. It hasn't really done anything. Does it say how much this was worth? Let's have a look. This was worth £20. There is no way on God's green earth I would spend £20 on that. No. It's not a full size product. It looks like it's halfway used. It's dusty, it's dirty, it's got moisture bubbles, and it's patchy on my hand. It didn't do much on my cheek. I'm probably gonna bin it. Wow, what? So, okay, so the Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. This is worth £58 for this tiny little bottle. Wow. Okay, why? Fortified with incredible ingredients such as rose peony and sweet almond, this scrub will leave you with super soft, kissable lips just in time for Valentine's Day. Key ingredients: rose works to buff away dead skin cells and impurities to reveal fresh, youthful lips. This product's light, reflective properties also illuminate the lips, allowing them to glow. But you're not wearing it as a lip gloss, so why would you? Whatever. Okay, so £58 for that. That's wow. Okay. The hand cream, the bubble tea hand cream, £4.99. Peach Bellini hand cream, packed with fresh scents of ripe peaches and a touch of bubbles, along with added aloe vera extract and ultra moisturizing shea butter. This product is a real treat for your hands, sweet and uplifting. This hand cream is guaranteed to nourish, soothe hands that have dried out from the cold. I need to try this, and I also need to smell this because that sounds amazing. Oh. There is something very nostalgic about that smell. I don't know why it is, but there's something very nostalgic about that smell. £4.99, that's really a good price for a hand cream. It is a thin formula. And it feels nice. The lip mask says it is worth £5 over. That is overpriced, in my opinion. You can just get a good lip balm, girls. Boys, get a good lip balm. Carmex is my fave. Whatever. So lips feeling dry and cracked from cold weather, Steve Laurent's Total Repair Lip Mask will bring a burst of hydration to your lips, whether you're in need of a little extra love. Instantly soothes and revitalizing lips, this mask also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines to leave them looking and feeling soft and smooth. Okay, and then the gua sha, I already read that. The nude sticks, that is full size. So all these products are full size. How is that full size? Wow, okay. Rich in colour and glossy in shine, this multi-purpose beauty product works as both a gorgeous tinted lip balm and as a natural cream blush. No, it doesn't. It's patchy. It didn't blend out nicely and it removed the product underneath it. Every pencil is made with skin protecting plant oils and is infused with vitamin E for extra hydration. I like that. Simply draw directly onto your lips or cheeks and then blend to create a look that is fresh and dewy. I'm disappointed in that. I'm disappointed in that. These are my letdowns of this box. That's probably gonna get stuck in a drawer somewhere and maybe get used if I'm ill or I really want to just like do a full like pamper night. I'll shave my legs, I'll shave my arms, I'll shave my bits, I'll shave whatever. I'll do a face mask, I'll do a lip mask, I'll do an under eye mask, I'll do a mani-pedi. Other than that, this is not going to get used. That is just, you know, my feelings. This I love. The smell, there's, oh my god, I know what it smells of. It's reminding me of a medicine I had when I was a kid. Oh my god, what was it? It's reminding me of a medicine I had as a kid. I had the banana penicillin one and then you had the pink version of it. This is what that smells like. And I'm going to be honest, I would like sneak swigs of that just because I like the taste. This I like. I think it's very expensive, like nearly £60 for that, but okay. Gua sha, I might use once or twice, but honestly it's probably just gonna get like thrown on a shelf in a drawer and I'll forget about it. But other than that, I like this box. Yeah. That is everything. Thank you for watching today's video. Please hit that thumbs up button, the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. And if you want to go one step further, I do have a Patreon. There is a link in the description box below. It's how you become a coffee bean. I've got a chat, I've got a Facebook group, and yeah, become part of the fam. I will see you on the next one. Bye.